Jai Jagannath, my dear learners. So today we'll start the topic, what is a noun? So in English whenever we write a sentence, there is the necessity of a noun in different places. Noun को हमें sentence रे different जगह रे हमें noun को use करूचे. So commonly it is known noun. So a noun पचर what is the story of a noun? What is the function of a noun? How it functions in a sentence? How noun is very interesting. That we'll discuss in the class. You see, which a noun? We take the word noun. Noun. So my first question here, what is a noun? We all know noun is a naming word. Name of a place, name of a person, name of a thing. We know this. So, first of all, if we know the noun, actually noun comes from one word, that is your nomen. Nomen, N-O-M-E-N, nomen. Nomen means, it is one italic word, nomen. Nomen means name. Nomen, matlab name. It means noun. Indirectly I can say noun means name. Noun means name. Name of anything. What we see, हमें जहाँ देखुचे. What comes around us. Everything is a noun. Everything is a noun. तो एमतीरे भी किसी अच्छी noun that we can see, we can touch, we can feel. Okay, everything it bears a name. That's why name means it is the noun. So when we think of a noun, जतबड़े हमें noun कथा कहूचे, first of all we have to categorize this noun and how they are used in a sentence. We'll go one by one. So first thing, students, whenever we think of a noun, then first, number one, there comes your, you better know, common noun. So here it is your common noun. Common noun. Common noun means the noun which is the name of a category, name of something as a whole. We say it is common noun. Suppose I say city, I say boy, I say girl, I say country. So these are the common noun. So whenever we say common noun, it refers to city. City means it is one category. Category of all those cities. Boy. Here I don't say about a particular boy. I say girl. I say here country. So all are noun. But there is no particular city. I am not saying here about a particular country. I don't say particular country kotha kohuni. So common means it is a category which is taken as a whole. It is the common noun. But whenever I come to proper noun, so proper noun, you see, here I have written city. Suppose here I write here Delhi. So city as a common it is taken here. But I say Delhi. Delhi is the name of a city. Here it comes name. Suppose I say boy. I say here Rahul. So Rahul, but name of a boy. I write here girl. Suppose I write here Mita. So name of a girl. Suppose here I say country. I write here India. Bas. So Delhi, Rahul, Mita, India. These are the name of particular city, particular boy, or a particular girl, or particular country. So city, boy, girl, country. ये माने सब common noun, but when it takes individual name, then individual it is Delhi. Here it is your proper noun. Boy means moike Rahul Kunij. It's a proper noun. Girl means Mita. It's a proper noun. Then country means your India. So it's a proper noun. So One group your common noun, second group here it is your proper noun. Number three, it is your, I can write collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun. Collective noun means the group of the same category, the same thing as a whole. As a whole, whenever I take something as a whole, it is your collective noun. Suppose I write your team. Team. Team means you are the collection of players. Suppose I write your jury. Jury. It is the collection of the judges. Your jury. It is the collective noun. Suppose I write your family. So collection of our kith and kins, our brother, sister, mother, bas emanu kuneli, bas mu jagar kali family. So team, jury, family, or likewise any noun I write here council, bas. So such nouns. ये जो सब nouns अच्छे ना, ये माने सब जीवे कौन ना collective noun. तो number 4. But students, one thing you mark here, these three categories what I have written, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, here it refers to the category or the name of some individuals or the name of the collections. Okay? But whenever I write your material noun, material noun means whenever we think of a substance, mass of substance, that is your material noun. So suppose I write here gold, or I write here iron, I write here wood, I write here plastic, I write here air. So these are all, they are your material noun. Material noun कहवर मतलब है gold. Gold means it is a mass of substance or matter, substance. Iron, bas one substance, one metal. Wood, the same thing. Plastic, air. So they are the material noun. Means here air. किसी पिला माने हुए तो बाबू थी बे air केमती material noun. How air is material noun. That will discuss further how air comes as a material noun. Then finally there comes common noun over, proper noun over, collective noun over, material noun, it is over. Then there comes one abstract noun. Abstract noun. Actually, students, from the beginning I told you some nouns what we can touch, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଛୁଇଁ ପାରୁଥିବା, we can see, ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ପାରୁଥିବା, we can feel by our perceptions or by sensitive organs, तो feel କରି ପାରୁଥିବା. But some nouns are there. ଏମିତି କିଛି noun ଅଛନ୍ତି. Neither can we see them, nor can we touch them. ନା ତାକୁ ଆମେ touch କରିପାରିବା. We can only think of them. କେବଳ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭାବି ପାରିବା. Suppose I write here one sentence, you mark. I saw a healthy boy. Mark here. I saw a healthy boy. So subject saw, what I saw, a healthy boy. Actually what I saw healthy or I saw the boy. Actually I saw the boy. Healthy, it is his quality. As it is used before boy, I say healthy. So why I say he is a healthy boy? Because his health is so sound. Health. So when I write health, can we see health? We can only think of it. आमे केवल भाबी परिबा ताको. आमे हेल्थ को केबे देखि परिबानी. आमे जदि भी देखिबा a healthy boy. So suppose he is an honest man. He is an honest man. Then he is an honest man. It means what is his quality? I saw the man, not honest. So why I say it is an honest man? Because this honest, actually honesty is his quality. Honesty is his quality. So this noun honesty, you can see them. Okay? You can only think of that. Okay? Suppose I say pity, I say joy. Okay? But so these nouns, these are only, you can feel them. So such nouns, they are abstract nouns. So here one point comes. Like as these are the abstract nouns, I will discuss it further. These nouns, as neither can we see them, nor can we touch them, only we can think of them. So all those abstract nouns, these nouns, they are considered, or we take them in the category of your uncountable nouns. That the number of nouns, countable, uncountable, how they are used, we will discuss it later on. आमी तो discussion करिबा, आगु discussion करिबा. तो first of all, now you know, तो common noun, then proper noun, then collective noun, then material noun, and finally there comes abstract noun. So these are the, traditionally we divide those nouns into these five parts, and these are the common function of them. How to find out common noun, how to find out proper noun. There are some techniques in it. एमतीरे आगो किसी techniques या भितर आसीबो. Even we can make a proper noun to a common noun. Okay? So according to the sentence, context को नहीं की केमती सब changes ही परिबो. That we will discuss further. So this is the first thing you should keep it in mind, that these are these 5 kinds of nouns.